welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you the process of gathering eggs and feeding chickens vegetables. So yeah, let's get started. First step is putting on old shoes because it is dirty in the chicken coop. Next, grab something to put the eggs in. Now head over there. Our dog is a herding dog, so he loves to come with us. Now we're trying to breed the chickens in the grass where they'll get all their nice vegetables. The ducks don't even listen. They're coming! Finally, yes! At least one of the chickens is here. I'm trying to chase them to the vegetables, but only one of them will do it. Go eat! Okay, now it's time to gather eggs. Baby chicks, do you want some? Time to gather the eggs. There's an egg! Finally! Next, check the other coop. There's a chicken in this coop. Looks like there's no eggs. Ow, ow, ow. I just got bit by a ton of ants. I'm turning the water hose on so I can get water because it burns, it burns. I didn't know it was a sprinkler. The sprinkler turns. I'm soaking wet. This did not go as planned. Are there any more eggs? Nope. At least we got one. This did not go as planned.